Hello everyone, we are here at our Be Well Bazaar in Orlando, Florida. And for those of you not local, or those of you that didn't want to weather the storms, don't worry, we are here feeling delightful and filling all of your holiday options with local business owners. So I'm going to go around the room and welcome you in to the beautiful bazaar. So as we walk on in here, you're going to see myself, Tracy's Total Wellness Experience of many different essential oils. So we have immune detox oils, and we're going to scan over some products. But if you see anything that really calls to you, just type in the chat your name and type in who it is. So this is Tracy's Total Wellness. And if you're like, ooh, I see that one information that I really want, type it in. So we have our sacred boxes for sale today. These have different things like oils, sage, crystals, candles. Actually, many of the ladies you're going to see here today are in these boxes, as well as chakra pendulums. So this is a pendulum with a crystal for each chakra available for sale as well. So if you're interested in boxes, pendulums, or essential oils, Tracy's Total Wellness has some items for you. We're going to move on over to Kim. Hello. So share a little bit about what you have here, Kim.
Well, hi. I'm goodlifetogo.net, although right now my online store is not functioning well, so we will make sure you know how to text me. But, you know, it is Mercury in retrograde, everyone. So what we're got on today is mostly holiday teas and things to do with tea. I created some hand beaded tea balls that are really neat and have a lot of interesting beads in them. Then also we have tea bags. You can choose any number that you want. You get one of these really fun colored bags if you get 10 of them, or 8 of them, I think. 50 cents a piece. A bunch of decorated tins for getting loose teas, and we're carrying some holiday type loose teas today. So an herbal Christmas, a Christmas tea, a cinnamon apple, a white coconut cream, just a few of what we carry at Good Life to Go.
Awesome. And if you're interested, you can comment Kim down below, and she'll be more than happy to save anything that you might see here. And we'll get everybody connected with all of our vendors. Moving on to our candle gal, Tatia.
Hello. My candle company is called ritualchic.com, and the whole purpose is to get you more centered, literally centered on your center. So we have chakra balancing candles. We have 1 through 7, and each one has a QR code that brings you up to meditation that'll balance that chakra. 1 is 18, but 3 together are 45.
So 118, 345 for chakra candles with each chakra available. Awesome.
Yes, and you can even put them in packages like an alignment package, or there's an insight package too. This candle right here is Death of the Old Self. And my special here is any 1-wick candle. They're all between $25 and $30, but if you get 3, it's only $77.
And we have Love Spell. Ooh, death and love together.
Which is kind of crazy, but that love spell is actually one for the personal self and the other wick for the higher self.
Oh, beautiful. And then here's how you could see 3 of these candles together, correct?
Yes. And these are the holiday scent, but every single candle is Reiki infused, and they have crystals, and they're filled with sweet intentions. And of course, you'll get mantra cards, intention cards that you can write your own intention on with it. And then let's see, here's full new moon, full moon, and then velvet vanilla. And this I call 3 Kings, but it's Egyptian amber. I couldn't really decide on the name at first, but it's to die for. It's amazing.
And then these candles are anything in particular, or just more of those?
It's more of the holiday, but it's an apple caramel, Fraser fir, cinnamon spice, and holiday wreath.
Ooh, amazing. So again, single wick is 1 is 20.
1 is 30, 3 is 77.
77.
And they burn twice as long as regular candles. So this will give you at least 60 hours burn time. This tiny tin, which is not tiny, it's 60. That one's on sale.
Her crown chakra has expressed itself.
That one is dented, so it's the dent sale for that. That'll be 11. So, I forgot what I was going to say.
How much burn
with it.
time these are?
Oh, these are 40 hours. It's 6 ounces, but because of the formula I use, it's actually a 40-hour burn time.
Awesome. And again, you could check Tasha out and all of her information as well.
Thank you.
Moving on to the lovely Nancy.
Hello everyone, I am here with the Waveland Gallery, and all of the photography and photographic gifts are photographs of mine and my dad's, and my dad learned Photoshop at 80 years old.
Ooh.
So some of these are his, the ones that you could tell are not straight pictures, it's his Photoshop. So we've got a variety of greeting cards. I also have sets of them if you want to gift 10 of, there's an extra deal. Brand new coasters with the new art, which the first 4 are already sold and accounted for, but any of the art you want, we can reproduce in any format.
Beautiful. And these are pictures taken from you, so it's
And this
got
is
a specialty.
cutting board, but also if you want to backlight it, it becomes really cool art. Also our photograph.
Amazing.
Special prices for all of these, and some of our printed photography and samples of that. And this is my photograph printed on metal, which just makes it pop HD. For the horse lovers in your life, I love the horse that I met in a park. Those were raindrops on a spider web when I got up early in the morning. And if you look really close, you could see my neighbor's house reflected in each of them.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful. So, Nancy, you just comment Nancy, and then if there any of these resonate, we'll make sure you get hooked up with her. Thank you.
And happy holidays, everybody.
Moving on to Skylar.
Hello everyone, my name is Skylar. I am a visionary fiber artist. I have a lot of tapestries I've made and I have customs open for them. My artwork is inspired by nature, spirit, and the realization of the self. I have some art pieces. I also have things like lighter holders that I crocheted. I'm inspired by the festival scene. And then I also have fun little ornaments that range from $5 to $7 that I made for the holidays. I have some stickers of artwork of mine, things I've drawn, as well as some wood burned things like wood burned beads. I also have scarves that I finger knitted, and then a little bit of leather work. I do a little bit of everything. And then finally I have wood burned pendants. This one has a little ohm and then the heart chakra on the back and other designs. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is sky.root_. I always have customs available and things like that, and I appreciate any kind of support.
Thank you, Skylar. And again, Skylar, anything you saw here, please comment below. And moving on to Rita.
So, well, I'm doing tarot readings. If you want to do a virtual reading, I think we can accommodate that today. And if not, I will honor the $20 price for a tarot reading that you book from today's Bazaar. And I can do them virtually. I have some gently used tarot decks that I purchased over the years and just didn't connect with, so they've really barely been used. Some of them have barely even been taken out of the box. Those are going for $10. And then I have some upcycled pendulums, and by upcycled I mean these are stones, crystals, charms, things that I had laying around the house that one day I got bored and made some pendulums with them, and those are $5 to $10.
Awesome. And again, Rita, feel free to reach out and comment if anything is interesting, or take her up on a reading. She's really good. Thank you, Rita.
Tracy.
Moving on to Kathryn.
So today we have handcrafted cards and gifts, so gift boxes. My tagline, shop local on your schedule. So you can find me at social media, SOS Art Gallery, And shop.sosartgallery.com has prices on everything as well if you want to know something in particular. And with the exception of this row, most everything that you see here is this mix and match pricing. So something I do for special events, and I'll honor it today. If you go ahead and shop today, we'll do the special pricing for you as well. And then I've got all different kinds of all occasion cards here. They're all handcrafted. I feature other local artists from Orlando as well at shop.sosartgallery.com. And all the different cards are all handmade, stamped individually.
Oh, they're
We've
so
got all different
pretty.
kinds of occasions, and I've got holiday cards and gift boxes as well, and all occasion to put gifts in and make easy gift wrapping ideas.
Awesome. So if you're interested in anything, I might also recommend with Kathryn, because she has so many creative things, be like, I need birthday stuff, I need Christmas stuff, and she can offer you some information.
And the links to the gift shop is here. An easy way to find it is bizorlandoflorida.com, as well as the arts and crafts supplies that I use to make all these different items.
Wonderful. Thank you, Kathryn.
Thank you.
And moving on now to Shan.
Hello, everybody. I am Shan from Shan Girl's Heart, and I make healing jewelry. So primarily malas, but bracelets, earrings, keychains, necklaces, kind of a little bit of everything. Today I am offering free keychains with a purchase of a mala, which I will absolutely honor. If you want to comment with my name, Shan, in the comments, and I will absolutely honor that for the Bazaar online. The malas come knotted and unknotted, so if you've got a squirrely brain like me, and when you meditate, it is a fantastic tool to use during meditation. Each one also comes with healing stones. The cards will come in each one with each piece of jewelry that I make. So you'll get to know exactly what stone and what healing properties each one has. I do wire wrapping. Some of this is sea glass, and some of this is, and yes, those are the pricing. And some of this is, and everything I use is either sea glass or it is actual semi-precious and natural stones.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, Shan. So that's a little of our Be Well Bazaar. If you can't make it out, comment below if you're interested. Again, I'm just going to do a quick review. We have Tracy's Total Wellness. We have essential oils, pendulums, and sacred collection boxes for ritual. We have Kim here that is offering many different tea options with a Good Life to Go. We have Tasha over here with beautifully handcrafted candles. Nancy is offering some wonderful photography today. And then again, we had Skylar with her crochet art and a few different other forms of arts and crafts. Rita is here with oracle readings or tarot readings, as well as some gently used decks for sale. Kathryn has amazing handcrafted items for cards to support the inner crafter in you. And then Shan was our last one here at the bazaar with beautiful handcrafted malas and jewelry for all of your meditation needs. Thank you, everybody. Comment below. We would love to have you support some small businesses during the holidays. Any questions, let us know. I tagged everybody here as well, so you can connect with them on the social media or personally message me, and I'll make sure you get linked with everyone. Be well.